Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. Today I will share with you an interesting sweet recipe. In that recipe we need these ingredients: 1 bowl of sago and 2 ilachis, milk, ghee, jaggery, cashew and kismis, and water. Take a big bowl and put on the stove, and we need soak jaggery in the water, and that water in take a big bowl and add sago and mix it well and sim flame on the stove. After that 5 minutes you add a milk on that mixer. And mix it well. Again 5 minutes wait in the sim flame. And add the ilachi on that mixer. And again mix it well. Now take cashew and kismis. Take a small bowl and add ghee on that bowl. And put on cashew and kismis on that small bowl. Now fry the cashew and kismis. Now it's finished frying. Add into that previous mixture. The recipe is ready to eat. Who know this recipe name? Commented below. Now take a small bowls and serve it. This is very healthy recipe. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.